In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a resource library in Obsidian so you can finally organize all the books, courses, tools, and articles you're collecting into one searchable hub. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open Obsidian and open the vault where you want to store your library. You'll start by clicking the New Folder button in the File Explorer pane. Name this folder Resource Library, then click on it to select it. Inside that folder, you need to create 4 subfolders by clicking New Folder again and naming them one at a time: Books, Courses, Tools, and Articles. These will act as your main categories, keeping everything neatly separated so you never have to dig through unrelated notes to find what you need. Now it's time to create your central hub. Click New Note and name it Resources Dashboard. This note is your command center, so open it up and add links to each of your folders by typing double square brackets around each name, like this: bracket bracket books, then courses, then tools, then articles. Once you do that, each folder name becomes a clickable link inside your dashboard, so you can jump straight to any category in one click. Next, let's populate your library. Open any one of those folders you just created, click New Note, and give it a descriptive title for whatever resource you're saving. For example, if you're in the Books folder, name it after the title of the book. Inside this note, add your resource details and any notes you want to remember, like key takeaways, page numbers you highlighted, or why you saved it in the first place. This is where your library becomes truly useful because you're capturing insights, not just links. To make everything even easier to find later, use tags. At the bottom of your note, simply type a hashtag followed by a keyword. For instance, you might use hashtag learning, hashtag business, hashtag marketing, or whatever categories match your resource. Tags let you filter across all folders at once, so you can surface every marketing book, article, and tool from a single search. Finally, if you ever need to locate a resource quickly, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to pull up Obsidian's quick switcher. Just start typing part of the note name or tag, and you'll be there instantly. You've now built a complete, searchable resource library in Obsidian that will grow with you. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!